On this page, you have some blank space so that you can fill in your own details about your character. For example, I would like to fill in some details about Buccaneer Blue Cheese's personality. Like, what are some words that describe him? I'm going to go back and take a look again on this page. Now, it seems like he is a very brave character because he is protecting his friend from something. And that could mean that he is also loyal, and he stands by his friend even when he's facing danger. Now, this word, notorious, he says he is the notorious Buccaneer Blue Cheese. It means that he is famous for something. Now, if you go to a beach that is notorious for sharks, then there's a good chance that you may run into a shark when you go to that beach. Now, he may be notorious for his swashbuckling. Let's go back to this page and fill in a couple of those details. So we said he is brave and loyal and notorious. What else? Now, I would also like to know more about who his best friend is. What's his best friend's name? I found some very interesting names online. I couldn't believe my eyes when I found that Black Pearl, which is also the name of Captain Jack Sparrow's ship, is the name of a small tomato that is dark colored. But Black Pearl didn't quite seem right for this little guy. I also found Cherry Baby, Better Boy, Red Star, but none of those felt quite right. But then I found the perfect name, Favorita, which, excuse my Spanish accent, but it is Spanish for the word favorite, which favorite seems like a great name for a best friend. But something surprising happened. Favorita is for a girl. Favorito would be for a boy, but the name of this tomato is Favorita. So, in fact, Buccaneer Blue Cheese's best friend is a little female tomato named Favorita. So let's go back to our page and let's type in that name for Buccaneer Blue Cheese's best friend. Now, once you start doing research and you're brainstorming, you might be shooting baskets or looking out the window, and that's often when some of the best and most surprising ideas happen. So give yourself time to find just those right details that feel right for your story. Have fun and happy swashbuckling!